Hey everyone, Chris Waterman here, the Denver Mortgage Guy. I normally don't shoot video in this type of a format, with the matrix style, but I have some really good information for you, and I think a lot of you are going to really want to see what I have to show. See this document, this PDF I have in front of you? This is a value estimate property report. This particular one is 10 pages long. They don't have to be this long, but I have proprietary access to proprietary software that pulls the same data that Fannie Mae pulls. Freddie Mac, FHA, VA appraisers use this type of information. You can't go to Zillow, you can't go to Google and find this type of information. So I pulled up an old property I used to own. The address is different on here because I changed it. And see that circular right there? All right, that gives you the value estimate range. This is a property I owned in Highlands Ranch many years ago before I moved to Castle Rock. And that, as of today, January 5th, 2023, shows a value estimate of $732,885. Right below it is the range of $663,000 to $802. Why is this information important to you? Well, it's important to you just informational purposes. What's my property worth? And it'll show you all the houses in the area that have closed within the last year and what the price was. Good information to know, right? Shows you the maps and all this kind of stuff. So, informational purposes, if you're thinking about selling, you want one of these, right? Because it's going to give you raw data on what other houses have sold for in your neighborhood. Number 3, and I think most importantly, if you're looking to do a home equity line of credit, a HELOC. We have normally not done these, but we're getting so many people calling us to doing them. We're actually offering home equity lines of credit right now. We can lend anywhere from $50,000 to $250,000. We can close in as little as 2 weeks. Most of the time, we don't even need an appraisal. So if you want to keep your current interest rate, let's say you're at 3.5%, 4%, 2.5%, don't have to touch your first mortgage. A home equity line of credit is a great way to pay off high interest rate credit cards, get home improvement money, just have cash, have access to money and equity. So the equity in this house, for example, if I owed $300,000 on this property, I had a $300,000 loan, and it's worth $732,000, I have $432,000 worth of equity. You can tap a lot of that equity through a home equity line of credit. So call me, email me, text me. I would be happy to pull one of these value estimates for you. And if you want to talk about home equity line of credit, I can talk about how we can get you qualified. $50,000 to $250,000 depending on your credit and depending on the value of your property. Hope this has been helpful. This is Chris Waterman. Have yourself a great day and a great week. Bye-bye.